Okay, now Circle to Search is one of the best things to happen on an Android phone, and most of us use this Circle to Search feature almost regularly. And for this feature, Google has silently released an update which changes the way we circle to search on the phones. To activate Circle to Search, we press and hold at the bottom of the screen, and this gets activated, and we circle on the screen to ask about that specific area on the screen. But now this has completely changed. If you're on the beta version of Google application, you might be able to see a brand new pop-up whenever you activate Circle to Search that would look like this. Now this pop-up says, search using your whole screen. Now Circle to Search has introduced this feature called Search Using Your Whole Screen, which changes the way we circle to search and seek for information. Now, like I said, this is on the beta version of Google application. I will tell you how you can get enrolled yourself to Google beta if you're not already on the beta. But if you're already on the beta, you will see this notification on the all new version of Google application. Let me show you the version number that I have here. The version number is 17.18.28. Now this feature may also be available on the 17.18.24 version. I'm not very sure about that. But if you have this latest beta version, you will see this brand new pop-up, and I'm going to tell you how this new feature works. But before that, if you want to stay updated with everything that's happening with your phone, be sure to subscribe to the channel. A lot of you guys who watch my contents every day have not yet subscribed. Go ahead, subscribe. You will learn a lot. And also please do hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm takes this video to many more people. Now let's go ahead and check out this all new feature. When I activate Circle to Search, you will see this page, and I don't really have to circle a specific area here. Instead, what I can do is I can activate Circle to Search and directly hit search here. Now what this does is this will capture the entire screen, and I can ask anything about this specific screen. And this doesn't stop here. If you are on a PDF file or if you're on a web link, you will be able to ask about that file right over here on Circle to Search. Now you don't need to go to Gemini or any other AI applications and then attach a file, a PDF file or an image, and then ask about it. With this all new Circle to Search, we can quickly do this whole thing. Let me show you that. Let's open a PDF file maybe. Now I got a PDF file here. Now this is an entire file with about 15 pages. Now let's say if you're on a PDF file, just activate Circle to Search and then tap on the search button. Now this PDF file has been attached right over here, and I can analyze this file by asking questions to Google. I'll just ask a basic question. How many pages here? You can see it's going to answer us saying that this has got 15 pages in total in this file, the cover slide and all that. Now I'll be able to ask specific questions. Give me a summary. Let's send this. Now it is going to give me a summary of this entire PDF file. You see this? Partnership overview, project highlights, and everything is right over here. And we also have related web links right over here. Now that is just incredible, right? Circle to Search is much more advanced now. Now let's open a specific web page here. Let's say we are on this specific web page, and if I want to attach this link, this web link to a Circle to Search, all I need to do is activate Circle to Search and tap on search button. This web link is available right over here, and the screen is also available right over here. Let's ask Google to summarize this. There it is. It has not only searched this web link, it has also searched more web pages and has given me the summary right over here. Now this is how this works. You can also attach a link here, or if you want to attach any specific image or file, you can attach it. All you need to do is just activate Google Circle to Search and then tap on the search button, and then you can directly ask questions about that specific page or file or web link wherever you are currently on. And this is definitely a game-changing feature because this simplifies the whole process of seeking information from a specific file or the entire screen. We don't need another application like Gemini to go there and attach the files like I already said before. Just open the file and activate Circle to Search, as simple as that. Now, to get this update, you need to be on the beta version of Google application. Now, if you're not already on the beta version, all you need to do is just go to the Play Store and go to the Google app page and just scroll down here. You will see this option to enroll yourself to beta. Now here it says you are a beta tester. I have an option to leave this beta program. If I have not enrolled, I get join button here. I can tap on join, and that is exactly what you need to do to join the beta program for Google application. Now, once you do that, you will get all the brand new features to test it out first on your beta version of Google app. You will be the first to enjoy some of the new features. So go ahead and do that. Now that's about it. That's all I want to share with you guys. Hope you have already downloaded our wallpaper application Wallverse. The wallpaper that you see here, the night sky with so many stars, these are from this wallpaper, which I recently added just a couple of days back. Yesterday, in fact, I have added this particular wallpaper. You can go ahead and check it out. There are tons of them. Some beautiful, simple and sophisticated wallpapers, both premium and free, are available on this application. The link is in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button. I will see you in the next one soon. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.